Here's my bicycle.
This is going to be my bike check. So, Cult CC01 frame. Up to the grip, so Odyssey bar end, Odyssey grip piece, Haro 200.3 grip. It's nice. Back to the Odyssey. Sorry, I almost skipped the most important one. Elastic band. Odyssey grip, some kind of Walmart mountain bike grip there. Mission stem, totally legit spacer. Hot, a bearing, a cup thing. My bike's drunk and won't stand up. So down to the forks. These are the one and only bendy vagina forks, because all they do is bend. I strip put my axles, so we have 2 nuts on each side. It's a lot of nuts. Called match hub, called single wall rim, Kenda contact tire, special feature, chicken strips. Down to the pedals, gusset pedals, pretty fucked up. Haro 200.3 cranks. Odyssey Bluebird chain, some kind of Odyssey sprocket, I cannot remember the name for the life of me. Haro 200.3 seat with stitches because, I don't know, ripped, and it wiggles. Fuck done. Well, this is a hub. It's lovely. This is a GT rim. It's shitty. Oh, and most expensive feature on my bike, the Filmer's little brother's old mountain bike tire. For all them dirt jumps that I don't ride. And this is my pylon helmet. But it's hard to bike when you're a pylon. Really fucking hard.
Tries. Oh my God, gonna try.
Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, bud. Look at me go. The bar spin attempt. Look at him. Ricky Bobby with a bar spin. Ricky Bobby hit a wall. Hi.
Oh my God. You just fell into this.
No. Go back home, bike.
Perfect.
Dude, some change.
In this institution.